Hi guys, welcome to AMENNY Property TV channel. Today video I'm going to introduce you one of the property that at Seri Gombak is a 2.5 story semi-D. So this is actually a very low density project, and this property have a very huge land at the side, but at the moment the property is actually renting to tenants. There's actually very minimal setup, there's no renovation, but somehow this property, all the bedroom and it have a high ceiling. For those people that you are looking to have a own stay that with a private lift, so I think this is a good choice for you. All the units comes with the bedroom. Let me show you the top floor of the property that is actually come with one bedroom. Usually this one you can use it for audio rooms, or you can convert it into a study room as well. Now let me show you this most top floor bedrooms unit comes with one toilet. So every unit comes with the two windows panel, actually very bright, and you can actually see the scene outside. So there's a forest behind. Okay, now let us proceed to the second floor. So then this unit is actually have one small balcony here, so you can dry the clothes here, and probably you can also do your gym, and it comes with the private lift. So from here then you can see that actually it have a very wide staircase. I'm going to show you 3 rooms at the second floor. So this is a master bedroom. So master bedroom also got a lot of windows, and after you open up all the windows, the units actually can be very bright. So because this is a rented unit, so then therefore not much renovations putting in. Let's take a look at the toilet. So it have a bathtub comes together in the units. So it have a living room at the first floor. Each room comes with the individual toilet, and this is a living room, another bedroom, individual toilets as well. So downstairs there's one guest room, and every unit comes with the attached bathroom, and this is the powder room. The dining room, then you can see there's a huge land at the side. If you like my property tour, kindly help me to subscribe and click the notification button. If I have a new video, then you have the first chance to see the video.